how to use TikTok's Duet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let us get started. Launch your TikTok application from your device and get logged into your TikTok account. Now, first of all, find a video in which you would like to do a duet. Now here you will see share icon. Swipe into your left. And as you can see that this duet is not showing, meaning that this video owner has disabled duet. So make sure that you find a duet enabled video. Swipe into your left and tap on Duet. Now here you can duet the video by just tapping on the red dot icon and recording it. Once you're satisfied, tap on the check icon, tap on next, type in your caption and tap on post. Just like so, this is how you use the TikTok's Duet feature. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.